Hey, hello guys, now we see early morning when I feel this and 20 baht I guys see this yeah. You can tell them I make a fish coffee on the day now yeah. And yeah, yep. As you can tell, it is not really morning at the West Indies. Oh yeah. So man, so yeah. Happy hope you guys hope everyone is enjoying the rugby, but well, I am so happy, yeah. But it is back to rugby, which I'm looking forward to, yes. Yep, had been off from yesterday, oh yeah, but yeah. So it should be a slightly bigger day, the past 2 days, well, yeah. So man, oh yeah, and I just put the sugar to my the cups I'll be shit. Oh yeah. Oh, it tastes good. I'll just put this down in. Right. Now all set. So I put the sugar down. I put the ginger on. Actually, so the wait for breakfast. Yep. So I talked to you guys, my mom at work. Alright guys, so now I'm on the boat again now, and yeah, we're pretty much on the way over to the Marine Institute area now. Oh yeah, yup. And then we'll do a few drops in the east end and downtown area, and we'll also be we got on the boat too, but yeah. So overall, this is really beauty. It's been more than so far. So we now 25 minutes to eat. Oh yeah, and I managed to do the work in the just time to start off the deliveries. Oh yeah, I want to be in the shooter, but I took my time having breakfast. So and these are but oh well. Oh yeah. So yeah. We gotta get in the right lane, the left lane to Team Glitch eastbound.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Yeah, and now we just get on the low part of Country Drive. Oh yeah. Yeah, passing kid buildings, contractors supply please. Oh yeah. Alright guys, so we're now on Toby boat now. He needed Toby for his mama. Oh yeah. I still want you the on in it over here, yeah. It's only on 10 apiece right now too, yeah. So that's much better than what we do with Lily Dawn Spring, yeah. When it was fish Dawn Mons. Oh yeah. Yeah, this is Toby Salo, Evil Toby. Oh yeah. That's Toby birthday Salo. Oh yeah. So we got one problem. So now I need to a second, so we got a few drop off is going town now. Oh yeah. And this Jackman looks like found that is over there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And she walk home, man. Nice. Oh yeah. Yeah, so much backyard go and Jackman VNT. Oh yeah. Now get back to late now. Oh yeah. Most beautiful place. It is good view of tornado there too, yeah. Oh yeah. Yes, we're going to different drive. You see, guys, we're now on what's called going on to different drive, yeah. It's going now Team 9. Yeah, so we still get done. No problem. To a drop off in hopefully we'll get into our drop off from over here. So yeah. So man. Now please turn on over to different drive west the latest. What's the other turn on here? Oh yeah. Yep, license plate on the road, so yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah, busy all day.
Oh yeah. A Mickey Macy or Humpty. Oh yeah. Now it's on to Newfoundland Drive. Oh yeah. Yeah, this is more of a residential part of the east end of St. John's, so yeah. I live all the street names over here. I live at the provinces in Canada and on town names in Newfoundland. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Got a few people are walking down too. Oh yeah. And now I'm at the Toby Road intersection now. Oh yeah. But guys, so it's Leoni, the amount now is already now 10 now, yeah. It appears already over to Mount Pearl now to do a drop off, yeah. So it's pick up some empty tubs. Oh yeah. and then once you finish there, we'll be on the few deliveries, yeah. Oh yeah. But still next morning it's already now 40 degrees. Oh yeah.
Straight?
No, left.
Left down here?
Oh yeah. No, left over here.
Right here?
Yeah, over here.
Well, I can't take left over there.
Oh yeah.
This is just easy. Look, we'll get on the cross down there this way.
Oh yeah. Oh it. Yep, that's what makes directions guys. For directions, so yeah. But now on please mode to you guys see downtown, yeah. Oh yeah. You got this about traffic downtown this morning too.
Yes, isn't it?
Oh yeah.
Look, smoky up there, look.
Yup. Now it's stopped at Barneshill Lights. Oh yeah. Alright guys, so now on the Episcopal Drive now, head toward back to downtown, yeah. And this will be the speed limit is already now speed mode is already now 10:30. Oh yeah. Yep, and we just passed the smooth line actually now going for the cover every exit, but yeah. So oh yeah, and you can see killed by the street here too, yeah. Oh yeah. Nice and cloudy to the northwest, but on that that's pretty much all. Oh yeah. Still really feel the not less. Oh yeah. Yep. And then now we just pretty much getting ready to leave about to see you guys now. Oh yeah. Alright guys, so now on the admin mode now, pretty much on the way back home now, yeah. And overall, it was another sort of TV show, oh yeah.
2 days of craziness.
Yep, oh yeah. So, yeah. But that's, just to be a plus, tomorrow I will be able to do all the televisions since I have the left goes to 1 from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. Yeah. Hopefully once I finish the left skills or in between before and after the left skills I'll be able to get everything done with Libby's. Oh yeah. So but we'll see if we have it forever. But for now it's only Wednesday. Oh yeah. Really just we're just on the remote now, just getting ready to merge into the Episcopal Drive to Hillary 12,000 Road. It's going to be nice bit of traffic over here too. Oh yeah.
Nice trucks, right?
Oh yes. We just pull up here.
Yeah, I know. I gotta.
Oh yeah. And guys, as you seen that the exit 41 is closed, even though even though last week it wasn't closed. Oh yeah. I guess it was because of the weather. So yeah. So definitely an issue for commuters going to downtown from for the admin part of St. John's over here. Yep. Yeah, we have at least X41A is open. But yeah, yes, but now everyone wants to get on peaceful to go downtown or to go to Galway. Oh yeah. But by these Fridays, yeah, bye. Oh yeah. But now you be on the peaceful drive now. Yep. Also known as the cloverleaf in the city, yeah. Oh yeah. Yep. And the simply moment is now up to 15 degrees now. Oh yeah. Yep. You can so to see this me no exams on this as well. Yeah. Oh yeah. But yeah. Now we're on to the peaceful drive now. It just passed by one pavement over here. Oh yeah. And ever see me help myself here with Tucky. You guys are back home now. We got Samito over to the kid driveway now. Yeah. As you can tell, it's got the best next mode over here, which is good. Oh yeah. Yep. Yeah. Looks pretty nice. Yeah. So we back home. I think it was close to an hour ago now, and yeah. And I've just finished lunch now as well. Yeah. So overall, it's been a good morning for 3 weeks though. Nice and sunny though, which is good. Yeah. But now it's nice and sunny and warm. It's currently now 15, 16 degrees, but it's feeling warmer than there with the sunshine, and yeah. But it's actually feeling a little bit cooler with the wind though. But yeah, but I'm still allowed to wear my t-shirt and shorts for the first time in well, since March. But it was 17 degrees, 78 degrees in town. So yeah. So well, yeah. So yeah. So on that I'm pretty sure I am already told you guys about my my electrical session for one. But yeah. So yeah. And of course yeah, on that it's a little odd week. I had to get blood work done as well, which is not looking forward to. We can't be down here by so yeah. But the past few times I've had done before my skyway injection, but now I'm conditioned done way after. So oh well, but yes. But my main concern is usual about that is expected to make find catch to me, which might be every now since I've been torn up a lot, and well, trying to pass down couple days, and yeah, I also haven't a lot of guys, but that seemed to have finally settled down now. Oh yeah. So yes, and I'm pretty much back on my feet, as you can tell. But I'm hoping not to have any more acid reflux and throw up issues for here and now for a long time though. But yes, but the acid reflux happens off and on for everyone. So yeah. So yeah, but either way, I'm going to enjoy the rest of the afternoon since it's warm out. Yeah, and yeah, and that's for the bucket go on. I'll pretty much head over to Southern off Valley Road. Then pretty much over around the Peter Duff out pretty much my way back over there. So yeah, so I'll pretty much talk to you guys which I'm over to the Peter beta. I'll be back on the main part of the park again though. Yeah. So man, there's also something else I want to mention to you guys too, but the delivery left my head. But yeah. So yeah. So yeah. So yeah. Although I should talk about the Newfoundland music industry because now the media outlets have finally talked about at the few minutes too, and they told me not to talk about this until the media actually got into it. But anyway, so just see Newfoundland musician and Shelly Club band member Rocky Scott had died. So yeah. So yeah, but he was only young too. He was 53 years old. So yeah. So he died of heart issues. So yeah. So oh well. So definitely big loss for the Newfoundland music industry though. But also beyond on the obviously Newfoundland show of Sam and at the coast show as well, and even on Sunday on Popular on World Tip 9 and Homebrew and 60 Music came out in Ice Film. So yeah. So man. So what I like to need, so I'm so it'll be on news and even too. That's an interview in CBC. So yeah. So well, but yeah. There's also speaking of viewers in the Kibak, I don't know what they were doing at the Jack Bunny now. They're actually there for a build convention in over there. So yeah. So yeah, but I obviously like pictures and stuff on Facebook and X. So yeah. So yeah. So yeah, it definitely looks like a fun event though. Hey, bye. So yeah, but for now, just going to a pretty much enjoy the rest of the walk. So yes, I think I got everything I want to talk about. Yes, so it's time for you to enjoy the rest of the walk. Hey, bye. Wait guys, so we are getting over to the Peter Bay Duffy showing. I want to tell you now. Yeah, so sorry for disturbing in this clip. Yeah, just in so yeah. But you can tell they got to eat over here this time for what a reason. But yeah. So man, just back at sleep back in basketball court and ball court again, and yeah, there's the soccer field over there, and the soccer field, and and the baseball field, and fucking catch the playground to the way to be yeah. So not so guys playground to there's few people over there, so yeah. So but at least you guys can see it obviously time to during the week. So man. So just should use the watch him now. Yeah, and hopefully they don't have the alarm on this time. But yeah, but actually she started the give us open. So yeah. So yeah. So time people might be here though, but yeah. But yeah, they look like they're fucking over by the bin. So yeah. So if you look a bit to be you watch over that's coming out. So I'll talk to you guys after. Alright guys, so we must get into the version of Tree Bubble from Touch Bubble. Yeah. As you can see, we got a few videos fucked over there, but yeah. Yeah, still one video and a few of these upon touch bundle. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yep. Pretty one need. Yeah, because no one on the part on voice, but yeah, they still be too early for that. But hopefully it won't be too long to the voice on the studios on it. But yeah, but this has basically on touch upon and touch my road and fucking driving 3 mile, yeah. Oh yeah. So people gonna be home now for the rest of the day and night. So overall, I am so need in enjoy the walk though, but yeah. So man, but it's none really my just to talk about this, but I was just about to go to the Washington the Peter picked up, but I stopped myself when it said late on in the multiple in the building, so yeah, so I didn't want to more going on there, so I just use watching when it gets back home in another few weeks, but yeah, but on that decisions have slowly wound up as the afternoon is progressing, so yeah, so that's all good, so yeah. But honestly, I'll pretty much talk to you guys when you get back home, yeah. I think I'll make my first iced decaf coffee already on my kill week, so yeah. But without putting the same ingredients as you usually for the hard ones, the creamer and sugar, but yeah. But we're gonna have that again, so on. So yes, so I'll pretty much talk to you guys when I'm back home. Wait guys, so we're in Town now, yeah? As we now, just at the same PM now, yeah? Yep, it's still, it is not clear, it's the evening, at the door, but yeah. So, wait on. But yeah. Yep, it's only now, 7:18 now, yeah? This, and back here though, yeah? Yes, well, overall it's been another good, day, not this, I'm still having some stress, and touch over my phone is, she, and the fact that, that you're thrown up and, I guess I'm having, the past, 2 days which now slowed down, may lead to another flare up, but, yeah, but, that's, I'm sure the phone's medication I'm on now is really helping me, so, man, so, yeah. Yep, and yeah, and also the petrol bismol I had yesterday I should meet my number 2 look a darker green. I was looked black, so yeah. So but I'm sure there's none nearby, so yep, and it's just the petrol bismol finally meet in my stomach though, so yeah. And hopefully by the time 12 working on, I'll be it's kind of good, but I'll try to relax and if it's possible, very impossible, and yeah, and I'll get a good night's sleep. So I think I'll be back and with the work tomorrow morning. Yeah, I start the institution from 10 to 12, so yeah. Yeah, but I hope it gets released on before and after the session. Oh yeah, and the likely be the a bit of break between release. So yes, so because you're always to be busy with with the work for not less. I'll probably be the same. So yeah, at least by Friday I'll get a full work day done, a full amount of work done to the on Friday, so yeah. So But yeah, but yeah. But other than that, oh, that's all. The wedding thing had a previous come on earlier this morning 5 to 11. So yeah, and yeah, and that was a test look. So yeah, and and those crazy people had got a funny thing happen. Even Jimmy got a face for it this morning, but yeah. What happens every year, particularly it's once or twice a year. So yeah, so yeah, but at least that's all done at home now. So yes, and of course, yes, and on then she's just been to May month. Yup, yeah, with some of where my corner and twist volume moment up that is actually also the beginning of the wildfire or forest fire season in Canada and here in Newfoundland. But yeah, because I should say oh we have two nearby fires on the Avalon. We got one with the space here just north of Columbia in Aaron's Cove here and yeah, and actually some of the smoke on the sky well there's a special air quality statement in effect because there's also one just in Hollywood in the park area. So yeah, but hopefully all that will be settled down once the rain comes throughout the next few days this week and the cool temperatures too. Yes, and yeah, and it's also a wildfire or forest fire or whatever in a lot of the sunny areas. So yeah, but yeah, so forest fire season here. So yeah, and it's here to stay. And hopefully there will be any major wildfires in the East Coast Newfoundland though. But yeah, but we'll see how it is about it. So but for now that's pretty much all I wanted to talk about now. Yeah, I think I'm actually starting to see some leaves burning on the trees in a yard. But yeah, that's another sign that the weather is starting to prepare now. So yeah, yep. And I also see some daylight around too. So and even grass along too. So yeah. Straight on by, but anyways, but honestly, I've been talking long enough, and this vlog is probably getting long already. So I'll pretty much just stop talking now, yeah, and I'll pretty much talk to you guys totally. So I hope everyone does enjoy the rest of the work week. I just want to allow people to talk to you guys totally. So over and out.